Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to explore how to connect Razorpay to your Grigora Ecommerce store. Let's understand how to set this up, step by step. First, head over to your Grigora site dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Commerce, and then click on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Payments and select the Razorpay option. A pop-up will appear asking for your key ID, key secret, and webhook secret. To get these, go to your Razorpay dashboard. In the bottom left corner, click on Account and Settings. Click on API Keys, and then click on Generate Key. If you already have an existing key, you can choose the option to regenerate it. Copy both the key ID and key secret and paste them into the corresponding fields in the Grigora. Next, copy the Razorpay webhook URL provided in Grigora. Go back to Razorpay, click on Webhooks, and then click on Add New Webhook. Paste the webhook URL you copied from Grigora into the URL field. Then, create and enter your own custom secret key in the webhook secret field. After that, make sure to select all events from the list and click on Create Webhook. Finally, take the custom secret key you just created in Razorpay and paste it into the final webhook secret field in Grigora. Lastly, click the Use as Primary button. Now your Razorpay integration is successfully configured. See you in the next one.